Simphiwe Ngema said, "Why does Dumi Masilela keep appearing in my dreams? He just got out of life about 3 months ago, and a few weeks ago my Dumi Masilela kept appearing in my dreams. This happened 3 nights in a row. The first night, my dream was that me and him got back together, but that his parents hated me for going back to him. The second dream was about me telling him I miss him, and the third dream was about me and him getting back together and being all happy. Why did he appear in my dream 3 nights in a row? Does this mean he was thinking about me?" I asked if it meant he was thinking about me, because I have heard that when someone appears in your dreams it means that they are thinking about you. I wanted to know if that is an actual fact.